This is our test laboratory where we test our fuel cells.
Welcome to the fuel cell test facilities of DTU Energy Conversion at DTU Risø campus, Denmark.
And then we place the test house inside this furnace.
At these facilities, the researchers of Risø and the Danish company Haldor Topsøe have worked together for 25 years with the aim to develop and commercialize solid oxide fuel cell technology.
In the beginning of the collaboration, we very much focused on basic R&D.
We have tried to be a little bit smarter, if we can allow to say so, and try to make the research and development and the testing in a very close circle, so we have a very fast learning process.
So we have a lot of know-how how to test properly and get the most out of such a composite cell.
A solid oxide fuel cell consists of several layers of different materials. On the surface, the energy and fuels, such as natural gas, can be turned into electricity much more efficiently than in conventional turbines. This way of optimizing the utilization of energy resources was given increased public attention from the late 1980s when the collaboration began.
We established a very open collaboration, meaning that we had an open door strategy. We could walk into Risø laboratories and Risø people could also walk into our environments.
Around 2000, the parties decided to create a pre-pilot production plant at Risø, where the results from the research phase could be applied to scale up the fuel cell production.
We wanted to upscale and to bring it out in a real manufacturing environment, of course on a smaller scale.
The results from the pre-pilot plant at Risø were so encouraging that Haldor Topsøe decided to establish the subsidiary Topsoe Fuel Cell. At Topsoe Fuel Cell, an industrial-scale pilot factory with more than 100 employees is now in place.
We came to the conclusion that the cells we had developed were of a sufficient quality to enter into a pre-manufacturing phase that could be further upscaled. That means transferred out of the R&D environment into a pre-industrial environment at Topsoe Fuel Cells.
I'm very proud that today there are more than 100 people working in this company based on our science and development and our patents. That we have a lot of patents from our research and development where they have the license to use these. So that makes me very proud.
It has been very important for us to collaborate on an open basis with the experts at Risø because that has increased the speed of the development of this technology. Of course, we could have done something ourselves that would have taken more resources and more time. So it demonstrates how the Danish R&D-minded company and a research organization as Risø is able to obtain synergy by this collaboration.